Okay, so here is the deal. This radio only works when the ignition is on. So if I turn on the ignition, the radio turns on, okay? But usually when you disconnect the ignition, the radio goes off. So now with this trick, if you turn on the ignition and I go to settings and I say that I want to enable the amplifier output, if I turn off the ignition, the radio stays on, okay, and I can use it normally. And if I want to turn off the radio and use it as usual only with the ignition, I can just turn this off and the radio goes off, and it only works